In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance photo quality in Photoshop. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do is go to Edit up here, where you can see it on top left, and then at the very bottom you want to hover over Preferences, and then click on Technology Previews. So just click on this. And from here, make sure Enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale is enabled. So if it's like this, make sure you have a check mark next to it and then press OK. After you've done this, you want to of course have your image in here, and you want to go to Image when it's selected. So you want to have your layer selected over here. Click on the image, go to Image, and then you want to go to Image Size and click on that. And the first thing you want to make sure is that you have selected Preserve Details 2.0. So if it's automatic or anything else over here, make sure you select Preserve Details 2.0. And once you've done this, this is the original size, you then just have to basically change the size. So I'm going to change the resolution over here. And by the way, make sure you have pixels over here because it's a bit less confusing if you do so. Then you want to change the resolution from 72 to, let's say, like 150, which is going to do exactly that, or maybe even 200. And after this, you can see kind of the details over here of your image. You can even zoom it in if you want to, or out. And then you can reduce noise by however much you would like. And as you can see, it's changing on the left accordingly to what I'm doing over here with this slider. So make sure to not overdo it. Do not go too much to the right because it's going to just look AI generated if you do so. But if you go too much to the left, as you can see, it's very pixelated. So depending on your image and what image you're using, what lighting, etc., you will have to just reduce as much noise as possible. So make sure you find kind of a sweet spot. Let's say for me, this is going to be around 30 over here. And then once you're happy with that, you want to click on OK. Your image will get resized, it will get bigger, and of course right now the quality does not look any better, but when I zoom it out and when I kind of make it the same size it was before, the image looks actually much better than it did before I resized it, and that's because it preserved details and kind of upscaled the image, so naturally when you now make it smaller, it will look even better than it did before. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.